Chemical sunscreen, still the most popular sunscreen on the market today because it feels light on the skin, gives you nice glow and hydration, doesn't feel drying on the skin, but it doesn't cause breakouts because the formulations have changed over time. Now, when you look at an ingredient listing, a chemical sunscreen is normally the long names. Remember, we only have two physical sunscreens, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So when it comes to octylmethoxycinnamate, avobenzone, octyl salicylate, they've got these long names and half the time you can't even pronounce them, then it's a chemical sunscreen. Chemical sunscreens, when you apply it on your skin, it kind of becomes part of the skin, if I can put it that way. It penetrates deeper than a physical sunscreen will, and it goes in and absorbs the UV rays and it releases that off as heat, which is fantastic if the skin is not sensitive. If your skin stings and burns very easily and you're sensitive, then that action could cause your skin to feel very hot and sometimes cause these red blotches. So if I take myself as an example, here's a foundation that I absolutely love. It's one of our local products, but it's got an SPF of 50 and it's chemical. And I can use it for 2 days in a row, and then on the third day, I get those red blotches. I'm not allergic to the product, but I am sensitive to the chemical sunscreen. I can't even dare put chemical sunscreen around my eyes. It stings and burns and goes blood red. I look like I've got pink eye. So what I love these days though is that cosmetic manufacturers and skincare manufacturers have realized that people want the best of both worlds. Of course, we want everything. So they now do a mixture of physical and chemical sunscreens in one product. And that's what I love. That's what I use on a daily basis. An SPF of 50, and my skin feels amazing with that. It doesn't irritate my skin, and I can go quite close to the eye area. It doesn't cause any irritation. So maybe look for a blend of chemical and physical sunscreen. Remember, the physical is the titanium dioxide and the zinc oxide, and if it's got all those other long-winded names underneath, then you know that that's got a chemical sunscreen as well.